back to another video. So today we're actually be picking the 3 winners of our giveaway that I announced in the last video. But before we do that, we actually made a trip out to Sonoma for Winterjam 2021, and I was able to film a few clips of the cool cars and all the drifting going on, so I just wanted to share that with you guys right now. So after that, we'll be announcing the winners, so make sure you guys stay tuned and enjoy, alright? So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and pick 3 random people from the comments on the last video. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the video in one of those random comment pickers on Google, and it's gonna go ahead and pick 3 winners for us. Now I just want to go ahead and say that I really did enjoy seeing everybody's builds and what they plan to do in the future, or builds that they want to have in the future. It's really inspiring knowing that a lot of you guys take inspiration from us as well, because we wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys. You know, making these videos is really time consuming, but seeing everybody interact like the way you guys did in the comments, it really does mean a lot to me and Christine. So first of all, before anything, I just want to give you guys a big shout out and thank you guys for supporting us here on the channel. You guys really make it worth it for us to be doing this, all right? So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and switch you guys to a screen record, and we're gonna pick the 3 winners. So it's gonna go, the first winner is gonna be the shirt, second winner is gonna be the shift knob, and the third winner will be the Surikawa, all right? Okay guys, so I have the phone set up. I'm gonna switch you guys to screen record in 3, 2, 1. All right, so we are now on the homepage of our channel. Let's go ahead and copy this. Go to our YouTube comment picker. I'm gonna paste the video here, hit it, get YouTube comments, should be about 40 something. There we go. So let's start off. Ready? This is gonna be for number 1, the t-shirt, Davis S14. I'm working on a Stance S14 static. Thanks for your how-to videos, really helpful. I think I actually follow you on Instagram. You have a really nice S14 Koki, super clean. I really like your build, man. So go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. Davis, congratulations, you won the t-shirt. Next winner is for the shift knob, Eduardo Sanchez. You won the shift knob. Says I'm working on my daily 70 Datsun, and my ground off project is a 77 Datsun sedan. You guys inspired me to swap a 3UZ KA tranny in it. Currently getting the engine ready, waiting for the Collins adapter so I can mate it to the KA tranny. That's gonna be sick. I'm glad that we could be a part of this build, Eduardo. You are gonna win the shift knob. So go ahead and drop down your information in the comments and we'll get to you. So congratulations, Eduardo Sanchez, on the shift knob. Last but not least, we are giving away the Surikawa. Adrian Bellamy. Current project is a 92 Honda Accord. Plan on wider wheels just for a daily stance car. And next project is the J-Swap, my 84 Ford Ranger. Dude, Ford Rangers, man. I had one back in Hawaii. Those things are some tough little trucks. So congratulations to Adrian. You have won the Surikawa. So congratulations to the winners of this giveaway. We're gonna leave our Instagrams up on the screen. Make sure you guys hit us up so we can get your contact information and get those prizes out to you guys as soon as possible. If you guys didn't win, don't worry. We plan on doing more giveaways throughout the year to give back to you guys for supporting us here on the channel. With that being said, have a happy new year, guys. Happy holidays. Thank you guys so much for supporting us here, like I said, and make sure you guys have a good one, all right? Peace out and stay good.